Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about two different logical functions, that is and or. Both function has their own functionality. Let us understand first about and function. And is being used when we wanted different criteria to be an inclusive one. Means if I am putting something with and, it means both condition needs to be true. Let's take an example to understand this. We will use a chart table, and in this there is a table name employees. First understand the table name employee, what exactly this employee table is about. Then we will use and function and or function. So basically this table employee has different columns: employee id, first name, last name, email id, phone number, hiring date, job id, salary, commission, manager IDs are there, and department IDs are there. So let us take an example where we wanted to fetch data where job ID should be IT Pro and their salary should be 4000 less than equal to 4800. For this, we will use where then job ID is equal to IT Prod and salary with operand as less than equal to 4800. By using this, we will run this query. Now we see that the data which has been fetched is three rows only, and in the job ID all values are IT Pro, and in the salary column we see there are values 4800, which is satisfy this condition less than equal to, and the third value is 4200. Now again we will go to our table where we will just use one condition, IT Pro. So here in IT Pro, we see there are different values with salary 9000, 6000, which has been excluded due to this condition. So when we use any condition with and, it will give us value an inclusive one. That means it will first satisfy that job ID should be IT program, and in IT program the salary should be less than equal to 4800. Now we will take another example with the same format, just we will use or here. So when we use or, it gives me either it satisfy this condition or satisfy this condition. There is no inclusivity. So both, it will use both condition and fetch complete data. So let us run this part. Now we got the data. What we got the data? We got data with IT program first. Here all values of IT program are available. Apart from that, if we see salary value is less than 4800. So these all values whose value is salary value is less than 4800 has been fetched in this query. So to understand this logic, and or both has slightest difference and uses inclusive conditions. To fetch this data for and, it will use all condition which is being used by and. I can put another third condition here also. So it will fulfill all three conditions in terms of and. Unlike and, or uses exclusivity, means it will fulfill condition 1, then condition 2. There is no binding for or to fulfill both the conditions. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet again in another video.